Welcome to PartsHnC. Today we're talking about the cost of replacing your AC's evaporator coil. If your AC isn't cooling properly, this could be the problem. What does the evaporator coil do? The evaporator coil absorbs heat from the air, helping your AC cool your home efficiently. If it breaks, your system won't perform properly. Common signs you may need a replacement include poor cooling, ice buildup, unusual odors, and higher energy bills. Typical replacement costs you should expect. Replacing the evaporator coil can cost between $600 and $2,500, depending on your system's size and complexity. Smaller systems might cost $600 to $1,000. Larger or more complex systems can reach $1,500 to $2,500, including labor. Why you should get a professional diagnosis first. Before replacing the coil, get a professional diagnosis. Sometimes cleaning or repairing the coil might solve the issue. Benefits of replacing the coil. Replacing a worn-out coil can improve your AC's efficiency and help it last longer, saving you money over time. At PartsHnC, we offer a wide range of high-quality HVAC components, including evaporator coils, air conditioning units, furnaces, and more to keep your system running smoothly.